25%. 50%.
Oops. Hey.
Why are you saying oops? You are in the air. There is no oops.
Where's from Joe now?
Oh yeah.
25%.
Dead back, do you know?
50%. 25%. 0.
The jet can handle it.
You're crazy.
I'm telling you, jet can handle it. If I'd have brought the F-22, I know for sure one of them would have handled it. Ooh.
Oh, you got it.
Try not to hit my plane.
Yeah, no, I'd rather you're playing out the way.
25%. 50%.
Is
0.
that scale enough for you?
Yeah.
Battery not charged. 50%.
It's not that bad.
1 minute.
It's calming down a little bit.
Okay, I said that. Mother Nature said, oh yeah, not bad. Wow, look at that wind. Picked up just as you were trying to grab dirt.
Yep. Well, a heavy battery will keep it a little bit more stable.
Look at that. No, that was expert flying, babe.
Percent.
Yeah, they're exhausted.
30 seconds.
Ooh, Johnny almost miscalculated
0.
that, buddy.
There you go. Are you doing a touch and go?
Nope. Whoops. Damn plane. Wind. Wind. Wind.
What'd you come in for?
I came in so I could catch this one on video. Maybe I should back up just in case.
Braking.
Yeah.
0.
Yep, there you go. Sideways. That's
What the hell did I just see? That wasn't very scale.
I had no choice.
That's okay. That's all I got.
25%. 50%. Gear up.
That F-18 is going to be fun taking off.
done.
The animal, the honey badger?
Who?
Oliver.
No, it's a cat. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh! What are you doing to me? The wind just blew it straight over.
All right, I'm
It was leaning forward, dude. And the wind actually literally blew it upside down.
And you want to fly the F-18?
Yeah. Whoa.
Zero throttle.
Yep.
Nope, nope. Back to the hangar.
50%. Gear up. 50%. 50%.
It's not buffering or nothing.
25. 50%.
Okay.
Zero throttle. 25%. 50%. One minute. 50%. Reverse full.
Do that roll, Daddy. Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, that was perfect, Daddy.
Right on.
Uh-oh.
No, don't scare her.
Oh, they're just trying to see what it is. When they really want to attack, they go up higher and then they dive on it.
Yes, I don't see storks doing that too often.
Oh, back that way, Mama. Back that way. There you go. Good job.
Oops.
Yeah, keep in mind the wind's pushing it this way, so you have to fly into the wind a little bit. Good job. You're doing good.